beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a pro for any who loves to play with makeup and tends to buy makeup when I don't need to. And of course, if you've been here before, welcome back. Today is a first impression / review of the ColourPop's Cherry Crush. I can tell you one thing. I got this on sale for the July 4th sale. It was like 30% off. And I decided to get another palette, which I'm going to do another one of this. I'm going to do 2 looks. And because why not? And so. But this is not for the AmorUs palette. It's the Cherry Crush palette. And this is a very, very red tone pink base eyeshadow palette. Now this is actually my second palette I have other than the AmorUs palette I just got. I also got the Fade Into Hue palette. I really love that palette. It's one of my all-time favorites and everything. But this is actually, I'm going to say one thing. It is a beautiful palette. I will say, if you like pink tone base, like true pink tones with that blue undertone in it, like there's some pinks that has a tiny little blue undertone. It's like lipsticks and everything else, but this one has more. It's like the truest pink color and red tones. Now these are very beautiful. The shimmers are so buttery. I really enjoy these. Like, yeah, I really do enjoy these. And of course the mattes are beautiful. So you only have 4 shimmers and 5 mattes. The shimmers are Sweet Light, Tiny Nut, Sweet, Very Cherry, and Juicy. Then the mattes are Cerise, Cherry Stem, Scarlet, Black Cherry, and Take a Bite. These are very, very pretty. I really do enjoy these. I did a very pinkish, darkish color with Take a Bite. You'll see in the video, but I did use the dark. I try to use all the shimmers and all the colors in this palette to give you a full way to doing this. I will play with this more. I really do like these. These so blend so easily that I really do enjoy these. I really do like it. And I have only one of their products from part of this collection. It's the cream gel liner and Jubilee. This is a very pretty color. It's a nice cherry color. This is like a very beautiful color. I do have it under in my waterline, and this is like a really creamy color. Part of it broke because my mistake, but it still works. It does a beautiful job. It's a lot, you know, it's like a good chunk out of it. But I really do like this. I am planning to get the other one, because I really do like this formula. This is actually my first time trying this formula out, and I really do like it, so I'm planning to get some more. Like, compared to the NYX Epic Wear, I do like both for the formulas and everything else. Which I like both the formulas, but yeah, they're both creamy, they're easy to work with. So I have, like, I'm planning to get more of the gel liners from ColourPop because I really do like this. So I'm going to give you swatches. Now the swatches I don't really go by with who the colors are or how they work and like that, but I just figured. And they're really soft. I mean, the shimmers are really shimmery. It does pack on a lot of color. Excuse me, I'm kind of hiccups. It does, if you do It does stain a little bit, but not very much. Like most pink colors, you know, those like reds and the pinks do stain. But if you have really good eye base, they won't do that. The mattes are really a little bit dry, but they work beautifully. They blend easily. They are such. I really do like this. Like, I like the formula of these, very much so. And it's, as I'm talking, take a bite, black cherry, scarlet, juicy, very cherry, tie a knot, cherry stem, cerise, and the last one is sweet like. Now, these are very pigmented. I really do like these. The shimmers are, like I said, it's very pigmented. It's really pretty. This is the second look that I've done. I said that does have a little kickback, but it doesn't have much fallout as much, which is surprising, because when it comes to these pink colors, to the darker colors too, it does fall out a little. Like certain colors do have a fallout by that, but this palette does not do that, which, like, what the heck? I'm not used to that. But this palette is really pretty. I do recommend it. If you like the pink cherry colors, or you like cherry, this palette might be for you. I think it's $14 or $12. I do not remember, but I know I paid 30% off of this palette, so I really don't know what much, but I will, of course, I will put the prices and everything else. But I really do enjoy this palette. Like, I'm definitely going to play with some more of this palette. I do recommend this palette. I really do enjoy this palette. I'm definitely going to play with more of this. Like, the only two colors I have not, well, I have used it. The only one I have not used is the very cherry one, but I have used all of these, and I really do like this. So I cannot wait to play with this. So yeah, and I cannot wait to see how this works. There's so many palettes that I'm gonna get ColourPop now, because I really do. Now I understand the hype of these. I understand these hype of these palettes, because yeah, ColourPop did a really good job. I love it. Cherry Crush, and I'm definitely going to play with this more. So guys, this is it for today. Guys, I hope you do enjoy this video. Hit the like button if you did. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you want to be part of the Makeup Addict family, where we just love makeup and we're just makeup addicts. We just love to play with makeup. And of course, if you haven't already, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos I upload. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at, and God bless. Bye! Bye.